Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Alejandro, and in this channel we talk about investing, personal finance, and all things money. In today's video, we're going to be talking about why I got a second Coinmine. So stay tuned. Alright, so let me tell you why I got my second Coinmine. And let me tell you, it wasn't by choice. Check this out. So, as you can see, there goes my Coinmine, and to be honest, it's not mining any crypto anymore. It's just an oversized heater, and that's it. So yeah, the lights come on. It doesn't show up on my phone anymore. It doesn't mine any Bitcoin, nothing. It just says it's offline, whether it's connected via Ethernet or wireless. Real quick, just to let you guys know, I bought my Coinmine in June, and I didn't receive it until August. So it lasted me about 6-7 months before it died on me. So Coinmine does offer a 1-year warranty from the day it ships, I believe, and I just contacted them via their Coinmine app, and I let them know that my Coinmine wasn't working. They asked to run a few tests on the Coinmine before they can send you a new one. So I already have the new one. The new one is right there, and yeah, I'm about to open that one up, and I'm gonna set it up, and hopefully I get to mining more Bitcoin again, because I miss mining Bitcoin. Even though I've been mining with a cloud miner, they did set me up with a cloud miner, which is pretty awesome. But yeah, let me set that up and let's go more into that. Alright, so I'm gonna let you guys know what I had to go through to claim my warranty. And you have to go into the Coinmine app. You're gonna see it loaded up right here, and you gotta go to the chat, to the customer service section. And as you can see right here, I started by telling them that I was upset with my miner. I had to turn it on and off for it to reconnect back to the internet. And then, like I said, they had to run through a few basic things to see if it was the miner or maybe something else. They asked me about what kind of router I had, and I told them I had the basic Spectrum. My device is about 20 feet away from the router, but it was also connected by Ethernet cable. And then they asked me to use a different Ethernet cable or a different Wi-Fi. All my devices, everything, whether it was the PlayStation, my computers, everything was working with my internet. So it wasn't my internet. I don't understand why it would be my internet. I also don't understand why something that's connected via Ethernet and wireless would disconnect from both. It doesn't make sense. If you have a device is connected wired and wireless, it's gonna use one or the other as a backup. So I kind of had to go through that with the Coinmine team. So let's see. So there you go. I was telling her it doesn't make sense why it's offline. Every single other device with my Wi-Fi. And then they asked me to unplug the cable and reboot the Coinmine and see if it signs on Wi-Fi. Works on Wi-Fi. Then the Coinmine will work if I reboot, guaranteed. I hate that I have to reboot it every other day for the past 2 weeks. It was happening for the past 2 weeks. Let me see, when was this again? This was January 17. So I had the problem since January 17. Let's see, the Coinmine will work. Before issuing a replacement, I will need Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable tested. I can monitor it for the weekend. And again, they tried to, I don't know, I felt like I was being questioned. I didn't like that. I was telling them it didn't work. They wanted me to run these tests that made no sense. And then I sent them a picture, and no, it's not on its side. It's standing vertical. And Wi-Fi was working. They asked me if I had the original packaging. No, I see it's online. Okay. This part was funny right here. She says, I told her, Okay, so what's the plan? What are we doing? I think my device is malfunctioning. No reason why it should ever go offline. I'm confused. It is still online. If you want to test on Ethernet, please test another cable. I just bought that cable. It was a brand new cable. Why am I going to test a new cable? It makes no sense. Let's see. I'll see in the morning. If not working, I'll send you a replacement. She said that she had an iPhone charger stop working after 2 weeks. That's an iPhone cable. Those things suck. They're the worst charger to have for an iPhone. Sometimes that can be the issue, not the device. If it is the device, we'll get you a replacement. The cloud miner will stay active while we figure it out. So they set me up a cloud miner. And let's see everything. I actually had to reset it again last night. Let it off for a couple hours and then disconnect it. We'll keep monitoring. I see it. Have you had a reboot? Just notice my Coinmine is offline. Was it connected via Ethernet? When you get home, why doesn't the Wi-Fi work? Wi-Fi won't work if the Ethernet is plugged in. That doesn't make no sense. Why? Why? It should work. Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Both should work. Let me scroll more down. It's just me going back and forward with this person. Let's see. Alright. Let's go right here. Did you see the hotspot? Is your network connected? Are you to test via Ethernet just to see if it came online? We'll give you a replacement. Just need to test. They kept insisting that I test it, and just like I said, it was frustrating me. I was like, yes, no issues ever. My Wi-Fi is always working 100% with all of my devices, PS4s, iPhones, MacBooks, smart TVs. It's all working 100%. Everything in my house was working, so it's not my internet. I don't have another Ethernet cable, and I don't want to use one. I want a wireless setup. Can you please help me? This is getting frustrating. At this moment is when they finally put their batteries on and it's got to working. We'll get you a replacement. Your cloud miner is still active. Do you still have the original packaging? No, I don't. Okay, I'll get you the replacement first so you can use that packaging. I'll send you tracking info in about 2 weeks. Your cloud miner will stay active until then. Thank you so much. February 10th, we no longer have the black one. No more Blackwood. Oh man. So you'll be receiving a white replacement. I hope that's okay. And then I text her, yes, that's fine. Thank you so much. I think my Coinmine just stopped working. I tried connecting it again and it worked for like 2 minutes. And then they sent me the tracking info and well, it's over there. So I'm just gonna set it up, and I just wanted to run this by you to let you know what the whole warranty process is and how it works. And right now I'm gonna set it up, and hopefully this one is not malfunctioning. And the one that you can hear right now is the black one, which is broken. Don't mind my messy room, but there you go. That's the Coinmine. There goes the black one. Alright, so there you go. That's the white Coinmine. Fresh out the box. There goes the home button, the connector, and yeah, let's get this bad boy connected. There you go. It's on, looking to be connected. Alright, so I got it all set up. You can see right there that it is already, well, you can't really see that it's mining, but it is mining. And right here on my phone you could also see that it's mining. This right here, this one right now is a new miner. I just swiped right there. That black one is the old one that's messed up, and swipe one more time. This one is the cloud miner, and they will remove the cloud miner once they see that I got the Coinmine running. And yeah, the only thing left to do with this warranty process is to go drop off the old Coinmine to the nearest UPS store, and that's it. But while we're here, let's review my my currencies, right? So I've gotten a little bit of Ethereum, a little bit of Monero. Handshake just came out, and I got 10 of those coins, and then I switched my cloud miner back to Bitcoin, And as of right now, I'm gonna leave my cloud miner and my white miner on Bitcoin to accumulate as many Bitcoin as possible until they remove the cloud miner. And oh yeah, another cool thing, let's go to balance history. I've earned my interest on my Coinmine. So my first month I earned 2,519 satoshis, and for the second month it was 2,701 satoshis. So pretty awesome. But anyways, that wraps up this video. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to give me a like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss no more videos like this. And until next time, let's get this money. Peace.